Hello everyone, we are Team Zentrix and today we are proud to present a solution for Statathon 2025. Our challenge is titled OpenData API Gateway, a real-time query and visualization platform for MoSPI microdata. In simple words, we are making India's common survey data fast, accessible and useful for everyone, from policymakers to researchers to ordinary citizens. Let's start with the problem. India's Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation MoSPI collects some of the most important data in our country: employment, health, education, consumer expenditure, and much more. But here's the issue. Right now, accessing and analyzing this data is slow, manual, and fragmented. Imagine a policymaker wants to know what is the female employment rate in Maharashtra last year's survey. Here's what they go through. First, they download massive CSV files, sometimes gigabytes in size. Then they spend hours cleaning messy data, removing null values and understanding variable codes. Only then they can analyze their data, and if they want to change parameters, they must start over. This creates three big problems: time consuming. Insights that should take seconds take hours or even days. Limited access. Only technical experts can handle this data. Citizens, journalists, or students find it too complex. Delayed decisions. In situations like unemployment crisis or policy debates, delays in data analysis means slower responses. So even though India has open data, in reality it is locked away behind complexity. This is where a solution comes in. We build a real-time API gateway for MoSPI microdata. Think of it as a smart bridge that transforms raw, heavy survey files into fast, query-based, privacy-safe information. Here's what it does. Real-time queries: instead of downloading datasets, user can just ask what they need. Within seconds, the system returns neat filtered results. No manual cleaning needed. The gateway automatically handles ETL, extract, transform, load, meaning the user gets cleaned, structured, and ready to use data. Privacy and compliance. We build a role based access, anonymization, and self suppression into the system so the data stays aligned with India's Data Protection Act. And this is accessible for everyone. Policymakers get quick insights for decision making. Researchers and developers use APIs in their workflow. Citizens and journalists use simple web dashboards and no coding required. The impact is huge. Time to insights drop from days to seconds. Transparency improves as public data becomes truly open. Innovation accelerates because startups, students, and academics can build on top of this API. In short, we are unlocking India's data and making it usable in real time. Here are some highlights of our system. Clean structured data in PostgreSQL, RESTful APIs with filters and parameter, JSON CSV output for developers, ready-made charts and tables for instant visuals, a simple web UI for non-technical users, role-based authentication and usage limits for security, scalable architecture, future-ready to include datasets from other ministries too, not just MoSPI. We didn't just stop this idea, we built a working prototype. We ingested real MoSPI datasets into PostgreSQL, created API endpoints that returns instant results, added JWT authentication for secure access, and designed a React-based dashboard that shows interactive charts. Imagine this flow. You start with a messy raw data. You query our API. Instantly, you see a clean JSON. On the dashboard, the same result appears as a bar chart. This proves our solution is practical, tested, and ready. Our solution is built on proven open source technologies: Django, React, PostgreSQL, AWS. It runs alongside MoSP's current system, and so no disruption. It is cost effective, scalable, and compliant with the Data Protection Act. This is just feasible, it's sustainable. The impact is transformative. Policymakers fast, data driven decisions. For researchers, it accelerates analysis. For startups, it innovates on top of that open data. For citizens and media, it gives greater transparency. Most importantly, this positions India as a global leader in open data alongside with World Bank and Eurostats. In conclusion, Team Zentrix presents a real, scalable, and privacy-compliant open data API gateway. We've shown problem in real, the solution is practical, and prototype is already working. Our vision empower policymakers, researchers, and every citizen, making India's data truly open and impactful. Thank you for listening, and we are happy to take your questions.